Airport team, we are giving our best to honor our daughter. We are going to receive her with our dignifying reception. So we are preparing our best to receive her.
So how much loss we have because both the ladies from Manipur expired on the cross?
Yeah.
So how much we have lost for them because everyone is paying homage?
Yes. It's a huge loss for us. They are very young and they are just in the verge of starting their career. And unfortunately, in the incident, both of them, they lost their life. So it's a big loss for not only our airline fraternity, but to Manipur also. Yeah.
In today's event, what are the things going to take place on the event?
To this event, everyone, all bureaucrats will come. And yes, from our airport team also, we are giving our best to receive her a dignified reception. Yeah, and pay homage.
So how this is today, two ladies, young ladies of Manipur, has succumbed to the ill-fated air crash over there in Ahmedabad. Today the mortal remains arrived of another lady from Thawbal. So how this is?
It's a very sad moment for all of us. Two of our state's daughters, one from Kangpokpi and the other from Thawbal, they were best of friends, they were working together, and both passed away in that tragic incident of the Air India flight on 12th of June. I'm sure that the entire state in one voice is expressing grief, and the mortal remains of one of them came a couple of days back. It took some time to get the DNA matching for Nganthui, and the moment it was done last evening, the arrangements were made to bring them here. It's an extremely sad moment, but then yes, two of our brave girls, we have lost them, but then yes, they were, it's a sad moment. You can't say anything on this. The family members are too sad at this stage. So our deepest condolences for them, for both Nganthoi's family and for the girl from Kangpokpi. That is all.
This very incident has brought all the communities together because every community has expressed shock and paid condolence of these two ladies.
It should be, no? There are no differences when somebody passes away, and that too in a kind of line of duty. Both were serving the Air India when this thing happened along with all the other passengers. So it's a very sad moment, and obviously everybody stands united in expressing grief and condolences to the two departed souls.
In fact, it has been a very sad day for Manipur itself. The two daughters, two brave daughters of Manipur, one from Kangpokpi and one from Thawbal, both of them serving on the same plane. They were good friends, and unfortunately this tragedy has taken away two very young lives, were very promising, and we all pay homage to these young two girls, and we all are very deeply saddened by this. And it is as if in this troubled times of the state, we can see how communities work together along with each other in other parts of the country, and that is for something which we should think about it here also, and we should actually take it forward, and we should try that every